Welcome to Cyprus Photography Tours, and today I am at one of 4 Christmas villages that I'm going to be publishing throughout the month of December. So we're doing another photography POV with the Sony a6700 and the Sigma 24-70 and Polar Pro's mist filter. We're at the village of Lefkara today, and it's the most popular, and it was rammed packed trying to get here, so I had to go through the back entrance. So I'm not even going to bother talking throughout this video. I'm just going to strap you to my chest, walk around, and we'll take some lovely photos of the Christmas lights. Just when you think you're not going to get a cat in every video, there's 2 right here, if you can see. There's 3. I wonder if I'm going to get them. It is dark. he's disappeared. There he is. Oh my god! There's no way you did that. Hello guys. Mission complete. Right, I don't know if you can hear me because it is like really loud. I've just swapped to the Sigma 56 f1.4. I'm going to do another round of the main area of Lefkara village and we'll go from there. And I'm sorry if you haven't heard any of like the background music or anything. I don't want to get any copyright strikes, so I'm just going to lower that, maybe add some sound effects of like Christmas villages and add some music on top. So enjoy the second part of this video.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. So hang up your stockings, put the tinsel on the tree, because Christmas is coming, my dear. It's the only time of year the reindeer fly. Can't see them on their sleigh ride across the sky. Gather all your friends around, or go out and paint the town. It's the only time of year the whole wide world turns upside down. So baby, light a fire and we'll toast the night away, because Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming, Christmas is coming our way.
στείλω.
Εντάξει, οκ.
Χάρηκα, ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Εγώ πάλι ευχαριστούμε.
Bye bye.
Δεν διαγράψω το κατά λάθος. Sorry, εντάξει.
Ναι, αυτό. Γεια. If you ever visit Cyprus and you want to explore the island through photography, check the links in the description box down below. Subscribe and stay tuned for next week's photography POV in Agros. And if you enjoy these photography POVs and the photos that I take, then check out this video here. I'll see you in the next one.